The formalities are easily dispensable. So no handshakes in the Premier League, just the odd fist bump. But the football is carrying on for now.
Just come out from having an operation on my lungs, and I'm not too worried about the virus. It's just got to get on with life, haven't you?
Anyone, yes, with an underlying health, concern is more at risk. But overall, yes, it could be just a wee bit of hype at the moment.
Those charged with keeping us safe are grappling with tough decisions. Could they really advise the over 70s to stay away from big gatherings? The people at a higher risk.
All of these potential interventions, we call them social distancing, and some of them are behavioural, around large gatherings or how we live our daily lives, will be considered next week. And the government is really keen to ensure that if any advice is made, it is evidence-based and it doesn't disproportionately disrupt our lives or businesses.
The consensus among medical experts is that we will soon move into the next phase, from containing to delaying the spread of the virus.
I think they're going to resist the urge to just have outright bans. In France, for instance, they've banned gatherings larger than 5,000, but that's very arbitrary. It's not based on science, but what it does do is it shows intent by the government.
In rugby, England's Six Nations game in Italy next week is off, but this afternoon the Welsh were at Twickenham. Among the crowd, some Chelsea pensioners embracing change.
We haven't had anything like this at the moment. Before, have we? Really on this scale. I mean, it could escalate. Who knows?
We've got your sanitisers ready to go. Look at that.
Yeah.
Would you shake my hand or should we fist bump?
No, I would shake your hand.
You would?
Yes.
There we go then. Clean them afterwards.
Once we figure out what the danger is, I'm all for cancelling those events if they need to be. Yeah. But once we figure out, I don't think we're there yet. And so for now, I think we're fine. But if a week down, it needs to be cancelled, then I guess it has to be done.
The government will sit down on Monday with the sports authorities and the broadcasters to work out what they need to do. They will be led by the scientific evidence, but also will crucially need to take the public along with them through what is uncharted territory. The number of confirmed UK cases is still relatively small, but coronavirus does have the potential to change the way that we all live our lives. We just don't know how long that disruption will last. Tom Parmenter, Sky News, Twickenham.